Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Meilin Lee from the movie Turning Red. So I have shown you how to draw this character before, but only as a red panda. I haven't actually shown you how to draw her as a human yet. So let's do that today. I'm going to start with one eye here. So I'm going to do a little line like that. And then I'm going to come on up. And make a shape like that. Nice and round up there. And then we're going to do another rounded shape here. And a circle right here. And a circle in the middle. Nice big circle in the middle. And then we can color that middle circle all dark. And now up here, I'm going to make this a little thick. This curve here, it's going to be a bit thick. So I can just draw over it a few times and kind of draw near it, make the line a bit thicker. And I'm going to give just a few teeny tiny little eyelashes. Nothing wild. Okay, so next I'm going to do one of these circles here for her glasses, one of the glasses lenses. So I'm going to sketch out well, they're more like ovals actually. Sketch out an oval. All right, there we go. And above that, let's give her an eyebrow. It's going to be that kind of shape, but I can kind of fill it in with these little strokes of hair. You can see those strokes of hair are taking the shape and the direction that I drew that line in. Okay, now next I'm going to do a little curve right here. It's going to connect the two glasses lenses, and I'm going to give her a little nose. So a little curve right here, and then we got a nostril, and then we got a little spot here in the middle, and then another little nostril, and then another curve. So our other lens is going to be right here. And start that oval shape, but I'm not going to continue the oval shape. I'm not going to finish it off quite yet because she's going to have, she's going to be making a peace sign with her fingers, and it's going to be kind of right here. So I'm going to put one finger here. And we've got that V shape. Got another finger right here. So right here, we're going to put a thumb. Like that. And then we're going to have two other fingers here curled up. I made this V shape a little bit too wide, but that's okay. It's still gonna work with it. And we can curve this hand shape right there. And I can even put like a little bit of a line here for like a nail. And put one here and there if you wanted to add that detail, but you don't have to. Right here, let's do a closed eye, like a winking eye. And we can thicken it. And I'm going to do a few little lashes like I did on the other eye. And the eyebrow here is going to be a lot lower than the other one. It's going to be kind of over that oval lens frame. And I'm doing little strokes for the eyebrow here. Right, I'm gonna color in these little nostrils too. I'm gonna color them in dark. Not much light getting in there. All right, so now let's do a big mouth. So it's gonna be open real wide, kind of like a jelly bean shape. And we're gonna have a tongue sticking out right here. Like that. And then I can finish off that little jelly bean shape. And now she's gonna have her teeth here. So I'm going down in the middle right now. And check and make sure it's the middle, check and make sure it's lined up with the middle of the tongue and the middle of the nose. And then we can do one tooth here and try to make the other one here on the same side. Sorry, the other one here on the other side. Try to make it around the same size. And then over here, another one. And another one, and so on. And over here, we're going to continue trying to make them around the same size. Okay, and now we can color in the rest of this mouth all dark, but I'll do that later because it's more of a bigger area than, say, the other smaller areas that we were coloring in dark, like the nostrils and the little circle in the eye. All right, so face shape. Coming on down this way. And a bit of a cheek here, and we can stop there at that tongue and then continue coming on up here, and right around here we're going to put a clip in her hair. So it's going to be shaped like this, and then we can do a shape like this inside the clip. And then the hair is going to come on over this way, and she parts her hair kind of right here over the eye that's closed. So now we've got one section of hair right here, and then this section is going to come on over this way, and she's got another clip here, but it's only like a long thin rectangle. And come down a little bit with some more hair and do the same shape with another one of those clips. And then bring down some more hair. And then this bit of hair on this side can come on down. And over here we can come on out a little bit with our hair. And we gotta do an ear. So nice big rounded ear shape. And we can do the inside of the ear, a little funny shape like that, kind of like a sideways jelly bean, kind of like the same shape we made for the mouth. And I'm going to do a little line like this for part of the glasses. And her hair is going to come on now. It's going to be behind the ear, and we can come on out a little bit here. All right, so now I'm going to do a little line like this, a little curve here for the sleeve of her long sleeve shirt, and come on down a bit. Right here, let's do a little funny shape like this. So it's part of her clothing. And right here, we're going to draw a line coming on down. It's going to be part of her other arm. And let's do a shoulder. Big curve, and it comes on down. And now right here we can draw a little line and the buttons here on her cardigan. And I'm going to do a line coming on down this way and a line, curved line this way. All right, folks, so we are ready to do our coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw tomorrow. Bye!